Hello everyone, welcome to Joe's Gardening. And spring is here, so we have some work to do. I'm cleaning the wood. During the year we generate a lot of wood, so it's time we use it for burning. So we generate a lot of wood in my garden, so you can see it's really dirty and messy, but soon you will see how to clean it. Let's do it. Of course, protection is important, mainly eyes and ears. You don't want to do this with no cover for your ears. Amps top. It really drains a lot of power. So it's like 4 kilowatt, maybe more. So with the current prices, almost €1 an hour. Not so bad if you think, like in 2 hours you can cut wood that you need for the whole year. So for €2 you cut the whole year wood that you need for winter. Other thing, this machine costs around €500, not expensive. The blade itself is from 50 to €100. You can put different types of blade. I want to buy a new one because I can also use it to format exact planks. So on the top, this one is very versatile. On the top you have a standard saw, and I can cut really big pieces of wood, and maybe I'll show you. Okay, it's not very even because of the bottom, but what we can do, I'm from the bottom, stupid side actually. I cannot use it for this purpose because this blade is very rough. Also, it's not meant for this. It's very thick, so it wastes a lot of wood when you want to cut some nicer material. This is oak. It's very hard wood. It's not meant for that. So I'm planning to buy a more quality blade like I have on my hand tools. But it's very versatile. So you can put a smaller blade. You don't need to have this massacre blade inside. Actually, you never want to stand in front of it. Trust me, it feels bad. It probably hurts, or maybe it doesn't hurt at all. It's gonna be quick and swift. But don't stand in front of it. That's why I push from the side. I have respect for a machine like this. It's very quick if you have injury. It's very quick and very deep. Once I had an injury here. This one was gone. This meat here with a piece of bone, but I healed it myself actually. This was from a smaller one. I have also a smaller one. This was from a smaller one. It still hurt a lot, and it was just like 1 second, like ping. Yeah, be very careful. So yeah, this will take some time. I think this whole weekend I will work on the wood, and then I show you around my plants. So what I've been doing, I'm planning to clean the garden this year, and I want to start doing a tropical garden in winter country of Europe. So stay tuned and talk to you later.